I'm sorry. Somebody hurt you when you were younger, but why'd you take it out on me? Now you're over, soon you'll see. I'll forgive you.
Alternate the respawn!
It's not your fault, you're so f***ing evil. Spreading lies about you and me. Tore it down, made it seem easy. What's the way to heaven?
First flight recaptured by the
Now you
attackers.
found a way to say.
First flight recaptured by the defenders. Doggo
You
is on
thought
the
I'd
first
lay
flight.
down and die, but it's my turn now to
First flight
start the
recaptured by the
fight.
attackers. Doggo is on the first flight.
A few video ago, I discussed that you cannot quantify the nature of Airsoft, meaning you cannot quantify sportsmanship, gentlemanliness, and fair play in Airsoft. Even though you might construct an exhaustive list of rules for Airsoft, they'll never be enough, meaning that you'll have to rely on the sportsmanship, gentlemanliness, and fair play of each individual Airsoft player to figure out what to do when they encounter situations that simply don't have rules, or that it's simply too complicated to have rules.
Cannot change who you are inside. You let it out, let your dark run wild. I know it wasn't my fault. I can't believe though that you think you have escaped me. I'll hunt you down, just you wait and see. That's the way
First
to
flight
heaven.
recaptured by the defenders.
Now you found a way to say. You thought I'd lay down and die, but
First
it's my
flight
turn now to
recaptured
start
by
the
the attackers. Doggo is on the first flight.
You burn this place to hell.
First flight recaptured by the attackers. Sorry, defender.
Won't save you now cause we're not friends. AViVA, they're
have
all
the first
under
flag.
your spell. But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends. But it don't matter when you're dead.
First flight
Won't save you
recaptured
now
by
cause
the
we're not
attackers.
friends.
Though you cannot quantify sportsmanship, gentlemanliness, and fair play, you can still see what they are when they're executed perfectly.
But it
Doggo
don't
is on the
matter
first
when
flight.
you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends. AViVA, they're all under your spell. But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends. But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends.
First flight recaptured by the attackers.
If you're losing, meaning your team isn't doing very well in a game, this means that the other team is winning. If you look at Airsoft as a sport that is centered on sportsmanship, gentlemanliness, and fair play, then you know that your losing gracefully and with honor is a gain for not only the other team specifically, but also for the Airsoft community generally. The guys on the other team aren't your enemies, whether you're winning or losing. They're all your friends who just so happen to be on the other team for this game. Losing for them with motivation, gracefulness, and honor builds team spirit for everyone. It builds the Airsoft community for everyone.
Doggo is on the first flag. The defenders have captured the first flag. First flag captured the attackers. Nice. You have it, you have it, you have it. First leg recaptured by the attackers, defenders. Doggo is on the first leg. The defenders have the first leg. First leg recaptured by the attackers. No, she's still in. Okay. Where's the red one? First leg captured by the defenders.
Somebody hurt ya when you were younger, but why'd you take it out
First
on
leg
me?
captured by the
Now you're
attackers.
over, soon you'll see. I forgive ya. It's not your fault, you're so freaking evil, spreading lies about you and me. Tore it down, made it seem easy.
First leg recaptured by the defenders.
Now you found the
Doggo
way
is
to
on the first leg.
You thought I'd lay down and die, but it's my turn now
First
to
leg recaptured by the attackers.
sacrifice. You're easy.
Doggo is on the first leg. Doggo is on the first leg.
But it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. AViVA, they're all under your spell. But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. But it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. Your problems, not my problems. You're forgetting, cannot change who you are inside. You let it out, let your dark run wild. I know it wasn't my fault. I can't believe though that you think you have escaped me. I'll hunt you down, just you wait and see. What's the way to heaven? Now you found the way to sell it. You thought I'd lay down and die, but it's my turn now to
First leg recaptured by the
sacrifice.
defenders.
If you're the type of player that says to yourself, you know, I don't particularly like this game we're playing. However, since my Airsoft friends do like this game and they're winning, then I'm going to play this game to the best of my ability for them. They're my friends after all. If you think any other way, then you don't have the proper innate sportsmanship, gentlemanliness, and fair play to Airsoft properly.
But it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. You're AViVA, you burn this place to hell. But it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. AViVA, they're all under your spell. But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. But it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're no friends. I'm sorry. Somebody hurt ya when you were younger, but why'd you take it out on me? Now you're
Take a touch, go
over,
ahead,
soon you'll see.
First leg captured by
I
the
forgive
attackers.
ya. It's not your fault, you're so f***ing evil, spreading lies
Doggo
about
is on the
you
first
and
leg.
me. tore it down, made it seem easy. What's the way to have
First flag captured by the defender.
Now you found a way to say. You thought I'd lay down and die, but it's my turn now to start the fight. You're E-V-I-L. You burn this place to hell, but it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends.
First flag captured by the defenders, the attackers.
They're all under your spell, but it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends.
First flag recaptured by the defenders. First flag recaptured by the attackers.
It don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not
Attackers have
friends.
6 minutes on the first flag. The attackers have captured the first flag. The timer is moved to the second flag. The timer is on the second flag.
Even though I've moved the timer to the second flag, I'm just going to concentrate here on the first flag. I have never seen the first flag change hands so many times in a game. I'm quite fascinated to watch how these guys are playing.
You thought I'd lay down and die, but it's my turn now to start the
Doggo is at the first flag. Doggo is at the first flag.
You burn this place to hell.
What these guys are doing cannot be taught. Nobody here is trying to take the advantage of anyone else. Everyone is trying to play as fairly as possible.
But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends. But it don't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends.
Look at these players. They're not yelling at each other about missed hits. They're discussing what's happening. They're communicating brilliantly.
Won't save you now cause we're not friends. A-V-I-L. They're all under your spell, but it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends. But it won't matter when you're dead. Won't save you now cause we're not friends.
First flag. First flag.
Everyone is playing orderly and systematically. No one is panicked. To the outside observer, it looks chaotic. Players here and there, some with their hands up, others airsofting, others going for the flag. Contrast that to the trained eye of the airsofter. The unquantifiable, unwritten rules of airsoft are on full display. Though you cannot quantify sportsmanship, gentlemanliness, and fair play, you can still see them when they're being executed perfectly. Some say that to this day, these two teams are still airsofting over flag 1.
Captured by the attackers. First flag captured by the attackers. Sorry, defenders. Doggo is on the first flag. Teammates.